Hey, everybody. This is Antonio Bailey of the Digital Revenue Accelerator Method. And today you have a treat. We are going to be showing you how to take people that attended your LinkedIn virtual event and pull them into a CRM named Kanbox so that you can put them into pipelines and follow up automatically if you want to. So you don't want to miss this. Stick around. I have a special surprise at the end. You don't want to miss it. All right, everybody. So here we are over on a platform named Kanbox. And let me show you a little something. If I come right here on the settings tab in Kanbox, I can see exactly what I have done for the day that will keep me from getting in trouble with LinkedIn. So if I stay right at 80 imports every day, I'm good. LinkedIn will not flag me and kick me off their platform. So since we're talking about imports today, that is exactly what I'm going to go into. So let's go up to the leads tab. And what I'm going to do to import a list of people that attended my virtual event. Let's go over to LinkedIn and check out the virtual event. So as you can see right here, I have more than 72 people that attended this virtual event. All of these people are hot leads right now. They came over, they watched my virtual event. So what I want to do is take that list of people, put them into Kanbox and stage them out so that I can go and get up close and personal with each one of them and kind of figure out how I can help them. So let's take the link from this video and go back over to the Kanbox app. We're going to click New Import and scroll down till we find right here it says attendees of a LinkedIn event. I'm going to name this. And I'm going to paste that link right in there. And I'm going to hit launch import. And it is now going to begin importing that entire list into my Kanbox CRM. It is just that simple. So listen, you can pick this tool up in the description. Let me go over and show you where these people are going to be populated as soon as it gets finished importing. Let's go over. I'm going to stage those people in pipelines. I'm going to put them into pipelines. I may have this blurred out just because of these people's privacy, but I can come over, put them in pipelines, stage them out so that I know who I've contacted and at what stage in my sales process that they are in. So once again, if you want to pick this tool up, it will be in the description. Listen, another thing that's in the description is my group. Come and join my group and get a free course, a free playbook that's all about client enrollment. Now, if you're watching this later on months from now, it may not be there or it may be paid. But as of right now, if you're watching this within the next month or two, come over and join my group, get those free gifts, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.